All right, we're back. If the quality changed, it's because my busted phone is now being used because this one doesn't work any longer. Shut off. Thank goodness he saw it because we walked around the other day doing a video. It's so bright out, you can't see the screen, and we didn't even know we weren't videoing. But they use this for weddings and festivals and all kinds of other stuff. There's 1,000 uses for it. It will be online later today because it's not going to take him but a couple hours to get it prepped up. We probably should be taking that with us to the event. Man, we'd be the hit having that in our booth. That would be pretty sweet. We probably should be taking a lot of different things to the event, but we are excited for you guys that are going. And somebody saw something. Did you post something on Instagram? Okay, so that's where they're calling from. So we will see you guys there. Don't expect much. This is what we look like. This is how we act, and you know, we just got a bunch of old redneck trucks. So I don't know what to expect, but you know, we'll have a cool thing there, or 2 or 3 or something. 4. My phone's not messing up, is it? Okay, good. So we also sold, for you tow truck followers, a robot. I'm not gonna make you edit it, and AJ had to go to a funeral, so he's not here to edit it. We sold a robot, and this robot actually would go in and pick a car up. Like you see those SWAT team things, they go pick a bomb up and stuff. That's what this looks like. You were here when we had it, right? Okay. So this goes and picks a car up. So let's just say it's muddy right here, and we need to get that car. And more than likely, you hid that car over there across the mud so the repo man couldn't get it. Not anymore. This thing's on tracks, and it can go across with a remote control. I can look over your fence and drive this thing in your backyard, pick your car up that you blocked in, and you locked the wheels, and you made your tires flat, and you taped the doors shut. Whatever you tried to do, this thing goes and drives it out, and drives onto a rollback bed, loaded, and brings it home. Now, the other purpose, which is what we think is the major purpose, is a lot of the electric cars, when they die, you can't move them. I don't think they have an easy way to put them in neutral, from what I understand. So you can move those cars. Not only can you move it, you don't have to drag it up your rollback and damage your rollback in your car, and it's probably not in a position where you can even get to it. But when you get to the service shop for them to fix it, how are you going to get inside? Tow truck can't go inside and put it on a rack. So now they have to figure out a way to fix it in the parking lot. Not anymore. You load that electric car up, you load it on the bed of this truck, you get to the service shop, you unload the thing, you drive it in and put it on the technician's rack, and you take your robot and take it home. The company I sold it to was going to start doing some stuff in parking decks. Another problem, because you can't get a tow truck in a parking deck. They're not using it. They don't really have the manpower to use it. Small mom and pop type place. So we're actually trading it back in on a new rollback. And that's pretty cool. So did I tell you that already? Okay, so now you know, because you got to do the paperwork. Great. Surprise. So we got to figure out which rollback they're getting, and we might end up selling them a snatch truck also, which is a small wrecker for you guys that don't know. That's not a slang name. It's actually part of a tow truck. So and we may end up trading in a wrecker that we sold this place 5 years ago or so. So that's gonna be cool. What else, Christian? Because you ain't gonna get much more out of me. Have we sold either one of the Lamborghinis? We haven't even done a video on the Lamborghinis, have we? We haven't. Okay, so they don't know about that, so we can't talk about that. I guess that's about it. We had a great birthday with Blakeley last night. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but I put together some of her funnier clips. Some you might have seen, some you might not have. If you guys like her more than you like me on here, then stick around for 14 or 16 years and you'll see more of her, because she'll be running the place, and Christian will be old and gray, and AJ will have a cane and probably a broke leg by then from playing football. And I don't know. Oh, pause it. I got something I got to show them. All right, so I'm printing something off because I want to show you guys something of some analytics. But in the meantime, we walked in. Mike's finally off the phone. Ended up at 58 minutes. 58 minutes of hold time. We're not getting any water. We're not getting any water any sooner. What did you get out of?
They told me that since they were bought out, that they decided on their own accord to cancel our June order without contacting us. and having us wait a week longer than we should normally get our water. And that was it. It was 58 minutes this morning and 45 minutes yesterday trying to get this solved. And we're going to have to go to Home Depot or grocery store and get water.
And the part I did leave out, I can assure you we have had service with them for over 30 years. And again, it didn't matter. The owner of the company was very not part of the business anymore, but he surely would take back any criticism or feedback. But he had the spring in his yard. So, I mean, this is where the business started. We may have gone back closer to 40 years with them. We've never not paid a bill or paid it late or not paid it on time or not paid it early. We probably have paid for those water machines 15 times over, renting them before we even bought them. So it was not like there was any slight on our side. So hang tight, I'm printing that stuff. All right. Dang, did you change phones again? Is that my phone?
Yeah.
Without a cover?
Yeah.
I wish you guys could see that. That thing is nice. Go walk in there to the mirror. You guys have to see that. Wow. What great equipment we have around here.
I think they're looking at new ones. But a very, very presentable truck. Runs out good, motor's good.
Wow. We got some great equipment around here, guys. And that's my phone that I'm getting ready to leave town with. You better hope it doesn't stop working. Analytics. I'll do a whole video about this soon, but it's pretty interesting. This is current today.
Yeah.
More than half you guys watch on TV. Some mobile, some computer, some tablet. Our age demographic has moved. This was our huge demographic before. It was like do like that. So it's actually moved around. We got a little bit of a younger watching crowd. Watching crowd, I will say. Buying crowd is right here. These are our customers. And we'll sell to everybody above 18, but this is our buying area. But it is pretty cool to see that has moved around a lot. Gender's changed a little bit. Used to be, I think, 2% female. So maybe because we got Christian in there every now and then, it's getting that female crowd up a little bit. So we got a little balance there, almost 80-20. Here's the part that's nuts. So we're at almost 500,000, right? All right. We're at almost 500,000 subscribers. 1/4 of you guys are subscribed. 3/4 of y'all are not subscribed. Please subscribe. Click the button. You will get a little ding every now and then if you have your notifications on. If you don't have your notifications on, it doesn't hurt anything. It's not going to change a thing. You still will get to see everything. If you guys were subscribed, we'd have 2 million followers. Is that math right? Pretty close. 25% versus 70%. 1/4 of you guys are subscribed. The other 3/4 are not subscribed. But you're watching. Watch time. So I went back. I said, maybe this is just new. Maybe we got a lot of people seeing it pop up because other people are sharing it. And I think that does work that way, right? If it's shared on Facebook, but you don't subscribe. So I went back 365 days as far as I could. It's worse. So, well, is it worse or is it better? It's actually better.
It's more not subscribed.
Oh, yeah. Well, no. We're doing this live, guys, so it shows how smart we are.
Over the course of the year.
Yeah. More
85% of.
We're not subscribed. Now we're less. So I'm right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I thought, okay. All
I
right.
see what you're saying.
We're growing the amount of people that aren't subscribed ratio. So it's getting better. Hopefully this video will make it much better. I want to see a huge leap. We'll also be bringing y'all a lot of live content. We're bringing y'all a lot of live on here and TikTok. And I guess if I have the other phone, we'll be able to do Instagram and Facebook at the event.
Your phone's on fire.
I know. It's bad. It's bad. Is it glitching?
No.
Oh, it's about to. So anyway, that's a little bit of analytics. It goes deeper than that. We'll do a whole video about it. But that's some interesting stuff. We appreciate each and every one of y'all from this end to this end and here to here. But We are getting better on the subscribers, but please, guys, just click that button. You don't even have to hit the bell. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. It costs nothing, not a dime. Hit the subscribe button. If that number was there, we'd be 2 million people. It's crazy. Just from the ones that are already watching, not clicking that little button. We're not going to bug you. We're not going to sell you nothing. We're not going to send you anything. We're not even going to try to pirate your information. But a little food for thought. We might have some water if we all pass out and we're all dehydrated. It's because thankful. What's the company name now? Primo Water Company. Primo. They're giving some primo service. They're doing really good. So give everybody at Primo a shout out for being so good on their water delivery and not worrying about us over here with their elders that need water.
Our elders.
That need water.
Yeah.
Need,
I'm the old.
he's had to go get Fiji water. You guys know how much Fiji water costs? That's expensive.
It is some expensive stuff.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks guys. We'll bring you some content. We'll be here tomorrow, and then we'll head out. We'll go drive through the night, so we're there on Friday morning, and we'll update you then. Thanks for watching.